How can teens make a resume stand out with no experience? If you're a teenager trying to land an internship or first job, you might feel like your resume has nothing to show yet. But there are many ways to make your resume catch the eye even without formal work history. The secret is to focus on what you do have, your skills, activities, and achievements, and present them clearly. Start with a simple, one-page layout that is easy to read. Put your contact information at the top, then add a brief statement about your goals and what you can bring to the role. Even if you haven't had a paid job, think about your school activities. Are you part of a sports team, a club, or student government? These experiences show teamwork, leadership, and responsibility. Volunteer work counts too. Babysitting, helping at community events, or tutoring others all demonstrate your initiative and reliability. Personal hobbies can also be useful. For example, if you enjoy coding, writing, or art, include these to show your creativity and dedication. When describing your experiences, use action words. Instead of saying helped at a food drive, say organized food donations for 50 families, or led a team to set up a community event. This highlights what you did and the skills you used. Your education section is very important. List your school, expected graduation date, and any honors or awards. If you took relevant courses like computer science or public speaking, mention those. Leadership roles in clubs or teams are also worth pointing out. Create a skills section to showcase hard skills like computer programs or languages, and soft skills like communication or problem solving. Think about what you've learned from school, activities, or even daily life that could be useful in a workplace. Tailor your resume for each internship or job. Read the description carefully and include similar words. If they want someone with customer service skills, mention times you helped classmates or family members. Keep your resume neat and free of mistakes. Ask a teacher, counselor, or family member to review it before sending it out. They can help you spot errors and suggest improvements. For students exploring career pathways, especially those looking for internships, this approach turns limited experience into a chance to stand out. Employers value enthusiasm, willingness to learn, and a positive attitude. Show these qualities through your activities, skills, and achievements on your resume.